Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show basic overview of cell in .NET MAUI application. So here I have created one sample project. So when you create a new .NET MAUI project, so you will find this app cell.yml file. So by default .NET MAUI application using cell template. So here in a cell, here cell contain. So when I launch the application, so it's just navigate to main page. So by default it's just displaying this page. Okay, so here in a cell template I can add multiple cell contain, and whatever the cell contain is available first, that page is going to launch first when I run the application. So let me add here another cell contain, and that title I'm just going to use different titles so we can identify. And here you can also specify other page. So right now I'm not going to create page, I'm just pointing to main page, and I just change this root and that title dashboard. Now let me run the application. So when I run the app, that time it's just going to navigate to main page, and that title will be the dashboard. Okay, so now here it showing me title as a dashboard, and also this flyout icon is visible, and here it's showing me two options like dashboard and home. So on the selection of dashboard, it navigate to whatever the page I specify here in content template, that page it's going to navigate. And you can disable flyout behavior by specifying flyout behavior option. Here in the flyout behavior you can select either lock, flyout and disable. So when I select disable, then this flyout icon is going to remove. And also, like, if you want to set some other flyout icon, then you can just set here flyout icon, and in that just specify whatever icon you want. So let me just see, I already added some icon, so I'm just going to use here home icon. Okay, now let me rerun the application so we will see this reflection. Okay, so now you can see this dashboard icon here, flyout icon is changed. Same way I can add icon here also, and here in cell contain. Okay, so I think I need to rerun. Before that, here also you can set flyout item. So in a flyout item you can add either single cell contain or multiple cell contain. Okay, so when I added here multiple cell contain in flyout, then here tab bar option also visible, and multiple cell item will be here right now in a flyout option by default. Okay, so flyout display option by default is a single item. So when you see this property flyout display option, so it's a by default as a single item. That's the reason here it's showing me as a single item. So let me add title. So when I add any title here, so now you can see this title here, and in a single flyout item I have added multiple cell content. So here that cell content is visible, dashboard and home. Let me add another cell content also. So I'm just going to change this title to schedule, and this will be the setting. And also let me add two pages here in cell overview project. Okay, so now here in data template for a schedule I will set content template as a schedule page, and for setting I will set setting page. Okay, now let me run the app. Okay, so now here on the click of schedule it's navigating to schedule page, and on the click of settings it's navigating to setting page. And when I set here flyout display option as a multiple item, so in that case here now it's going to display all the items. And if you want to hide this option from tab bar, then you can just set cell dot tab bar is visible to false. So when I run the application again, in that case it's going to hide this cell contain from the tab bar. Okay, so from here now tab bar is not visible, and in a flyout option it's displaying flyout item. Okay, so navigation is not working, so I think that due to here I specify same route on schedule and setting page. So let me just change route to schedule, and for setting. Okay, so now navigation is working. Okay, similarly you can add here another flyout item also, and like here if you want something like this multiple dashboard option and another option that will display tab bar, so that scenario you can achieve like this. Here just set as a single item, and just remove now this all cell contain outside of flyout option, because we set here cell.tab bar is visible to false. So due to that it's not going to display tab bar. And let me just set to true, and let me show you like when I run the application. So in this scenario it's going to display this flyout option also in tab bar, and this flyout option also in tab bar. So if I take this contain out of flyout option, this flyout item, in that case now tab bar is only display for this flyout item. Okay, so now tab bar is visible for these all options, and when I select this dashboard option, also here it's displaying tab bar option. So when I take this content out of flyout option, so in this scenario this tab bar is not visible. So when I select any of option from here, either dashboard, schedule, setting, so it's not going to display tab bar. But when I select this option, let me just change it, change that name. So when I select option 1, so in that case it's going to display tab bar. Okay, now let me just set some flyout header. So for that you can just use cell.flyout header, and in that you can set either image or any layout you can add here. So let me just set image. Okay, so here I have added flyout cover image, so it's going to display like this. Similar way you can set flyout footer also, and in footer you can add any layout. Let me just add vertical straight layout. Okay, so like this you can set footer panel also. And if you want to format this all cell contain item, means flyout item, then you can set item template formation also. For that just use cell.item template, and in that you can specify like whatever the format you want. So like in a grid I just want like this icon size will be 20 and remaining space for label, like whatever the text dashboard schedule for that option. So I can set that also. So let me just set here image. So image source will be the flyout icon. Okay, so I just set font attribute in a bold format. Now let me run the application. So now this all flyout item will visible in bold, that item title will visible in bold text format. Okay, so it's visible in bold text, and let me just set here grid.column 0 and grid.column 1. So okay, and here so like this you can format this cell item. Okay, so you can format flyout item as you want using cell.item template. Okay, now let me show you how you can implement tab bar without this flyout option. So let me just comment out this all stuff. Okay, so here you can use tab bar option. So in a tab bar tag you can add multiple cell contain, so that cell contain is going to display in tab format. Okay, so let me run the application again. So when you implement this tab bar, in that case this flyout is going to disable. Okay, so if I click here, then it's throwing exception because when we use tab bar, in that case we cannot use this flyout option. So I just remove that flyout icon and let me rerun the application. Okay, so now this tab bar here is visible. So whatever the cell content you add in a tab bar, so it's just going to display in a tab format. Now if you want to add multiple tab in a one tab option, then just here use tab attribute tab tag, and in that just specify the cell content. Okay, and here let me just set title. Okay, so let me run the application again. So here in dashboard tab option, now two cell contain will be visible. One is users and another one schedule option. Okay, so here in dashboard option, when I selected dashboard, so user tab and schedule tab is visible. So same way you can add multiple tab option here. Okay, so whatever the cell contain I added here in a tab bar option, so it's displaying here, and in a one tab when I add multiple cell contain, so it's just going to display here on top of the page. Okay, so here in dashboard, now it's showing 3 tabs option, and outside here is just a single page is displaying. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching it.